morning guys. It's already 3 a.m. and as you can see, we're not sleeping yet. This is because how good.
Your stuff over there. Yes. Please stop moving. Stop moving. And I don't know why.
We may be laughing, but we're serious.
We are dying here, you know. We're busting our butts to kill that fucking computer.
Pero excuse me, nadamay mo lang ako.
She's cleaning her hands, okay? She's a part of it. You know, when ginuta din tawan pa binana.
I was on the bed all the time.
Dahil I'm innocent at we've proven guilty. Dahil tagang po.
Dahil ginaamin naman niya si Valerie, hindi matarumay sa'yo.
Oh my God, no. Bukod dahil ka din nag-friendster pa sa nandaywa. Nag-add to mag-comment kay Glamour. Hell no.
Then, inosente kami. Nadamay kami.
Face like this, I'm not trying. Face like that, oh come on.
Biktima din ako. Tulad mo.
Wait, that's seryoso, tanda mo, tamatuod ako. Laglagan sa lang.
Ako bawa man ako na nabigla latang na-shock latang.
Nashock ko na ako.
It stopped moving.
Super granny ang ginampang.
I played like the fucking apprentice.
I was on the bed all the time.
You can see they Ransaki or Digicam also. You can see pictures of them. Just look at the Digicam.
Sagasa. Stop.
Tawag na humiliation.
Okay, goodbye.